Hello, welcome to this video of ASP.NET Core. So in this video, I'm just going to outline some things where I want this video series to go. So over here, in my experimental branch of my .NET ASP.NET Core GitHub repository, I've actually set up a form. Okay, and this is just like, pretending we are in a burger restaurant, and hey, when we as customers like to place orders, there will be this big screen at the back telling people, oh, what orders are there. Okay, so for example, I have a customer named Tom. Okay, he wants to order beef burgers, fries and cola. Okay, I can just press this, click this submit order, and this will automatically add it to this table down here. Okay, all of this uses ASP.NET Core, I think a for each loop in C# or the CS HTML file. Okay, I can even add a new order. I can delete order. For example, order number 3, I can just delete it off. I can clear all orders. Okay, and of course I can update the order as well. So for example, the order ID is 3. I want to change the sides from fries to onion rings. Okay, I can click update order, and this will be what happens. Okay, Tom, instead of ordering fries and cola, he'll have onion rings and cola. Okay, all of this at the back of everything. Okay, at the back of at the back end, actually mariaDb is being used. mariaDB is a database, so I want to show you in the next few videos how we get to using the mariaDB database in ASP.NET Core using Entity Framework Call. And yep, just to show you that mariaDB is being used, I have this mariaDB console open. Okay, I can just exit and do sudo mariaDB, and then I can do show databases. Okay, and you see that ASP mariaDB test. Okay, this is the database I specified in my experimental code. Okay, so I say use ASP mariaDB test. Okay, and show tables. Okay, and if I want to see what the order history is like, okay, what is this order history table, I can say select star from order history. Okay, and this will be all the things here. So if I add a new customer, let's say Sally orders a chicken burger with onion rings and cola, I can use the submit order, and now you have this new line of info on this table. And if you take a look at the mariaDB, okay, a new line has also been entered here. Okay, so we are using ASP.NET Core code, or more accurately Entity Framework Call, to use ASP.NET Core to interact with a mariaDB table, okay, or mariaDB database. Okay, so how is that being done? That will all be shown in the next few videos. Of course, there'll be a few things you need to know. Okay, firstly is, well, most of the preceding videos you will need to know as well in the Playing with .NET Core video series. Okay, 19. Oh, I'm missing video 17 here. I'll probably add that back in. Okay, but anyway, you will need to know what dependency injection is. So dependency injection is video 20 onwards. Okay, and then of course singleton, scoped and transient dependency injection. Okay, you need to know a little bit about databases. Okay, about mariaDB, so don't get lost when I hope you don't get lost when we talk about mariaDB. So instead, if you're lost about this, please watch these videos about databases. You also need to know how to use .NET command line interface to install, remove and list packages in Linux. So that is what we will need. Okay, this is optional. You should know a little bit about IP addresses and port numbers, because we will use that to connect to the mariaDB server. Okay, And of course, you need to know how to set up a mariaDB server. All of this was covered in the database videos, installing mariaDB and navigating databases and tables. All of this, okay, specifically the part 1 or this video 28 does show you how to do this mariaDB thing. Okay, set up mariaDB. So yeah, hope it will be useful for you, okay, as it was for me, right? Of course, you notice this table isn't very nice looking yet. Okay, for the time being, I don't really care about aesthetics, but I'll probably cover that in a later video once we kind of discuss how to use mariaDB. Okay, so I'll stop for now. I'll see you in the next video where we will start learning how to set up a page like this, okay, in mariaDB, or using a simple database first without mariaDB. Then we'll add mariaDB on along with everything everything else needed to make it work. Alright, so we'll try to understand what classes are used to do mariaDB, as well as I'll of course give you all the references I know possible. Okay, thanks for watching.